every cent that is spent on this car, that was from purchasing it, that's parts, everything but essentially labor on my end, will be supported by y'all guys here on YouTube. I am making content on every other platform as well to grow those platforms and then, make some money off of there so that this can get built faster. Now, a little bit of the dream, this is going to be long time running. No idea time frame. Could be 2 years, could be 3, could be 4, could be 1 year. Just depends on essentially how much we and y'all watch my videos. Now, I will figure out how to do these other subscription services that I found out that you can do on YouTube. So definitely let me know if y'all have any other ideas on how to do that. I'm still figuring it out. With a little over 3,000 subscribers, thank you everyone. I know everything else has been other car content on the vehicles that I do sell, Buicks and GMCs, but y'all have made it where I can purchase a project car and get to that point. So a little bit of vision is I do want to repaint this in a similar color, probably the new GT silver that is on the new Porsche 911s. And to tie that into it, I talked to my general manager. He gave me this idea and I'm going to show him. He mentioned doing a plaid seating. So these seats over here and everything's backwards. Yeah, I was just trying to make sure I didn't pause it. But just like those seats there, I want to get all the carpet, just like the Type R, to be a red interior. Get a little bit of leather or kind of rubber down there so that it's for the foot pedals. But make everything red, including the door cards. Keep the black, probably redo all the black and everything. I'm gonna have to redo the dash down here. Go ahead and flip us around here. So everything that you see is like beige, except for this back seat, like the carpet mainly, is gonna be red. Now the doors, I might just do solid black. We'll see how that goes, but that's all cosmetic. Got to get it running. Eventually we'll make it look all pretty. We will have to fix this back glass. I've been told that I can go to a body shop and get that fixed. So if I try and close it right now with this, it will basically open that up. So I've got the car getting aired out. I leave this on. I've been leaving this on for like 3 days in a row, constantly opening and closing the garage to air it out. But I believe that the reek of smell it's old, but also it smells like mold-ish. I think it was just from this being open and water got inside of the vehicle. So we're just permanently leaving it open until I get to that point of where I am trusting that it's, fine. Now, let's go ahead and move to the side here. You can see the floor. I haven't really inspected it too much, just haven't gotten the gloves to do it. I'm just wanting to let it air out because it does smell a little bit. Once again, I paid $800 for this thing. And thank y'all in general that have watched my YouTube channel and have supported me along the way, just everything in general over the past 2 years that has come to being able to purchase this vehicle. I did add that in as I made a little video that should, I don't know if that's in this video or the next video. I haven't edited anything yet. I'm just making the content and going from there. From then on, probably doing a full red leather in the back, just redoing those seats. I might update them. We'll have to see how that goes. Just depends on what kind of condition these are when I take it to an upholster. I found a few places here in the Nashville area, but then when it comes to the seats, I want to do like the new 911 seats. I want to do red leather on the exterior of it, kind of just tracing the edge. And then actually I kind of go over to the Type R here. And then I want to do the plaid interior, like on the inseam here. So everything on the edges are going to be a red leather, including on the top. I'm thinking Porsche crest or maybe get a 944. Like obviously I've got Type R in here. You can see a little bit. So try and keep with that heritage a little bit. But then this be like a red and blue plaid interior on the 944. Kind of restoring it back to a beautiful timeless look as it has. I love the wheels. I'm thinking about just keeping the wheels, clean those up, obviously clean the car in general. It's been raining a lot of the days that I have time. Today, I got to get a haircut and we'll go from there. But then, pulling out the dents of the vehicle, I'll probably do a lot of that myself unless I need to take it to a body shop, things that I can't do. But a lot of this is going to be doing ourselves, except for, of course, repainting it because I want it done the right way the first time. And, the interior that I want. Eventually, rip up the carpets and stuff. Try and put those seats back in for the time being until I get it to that point. But as y'all watch my videos, support me. We'll grow more, funds into being able to get this car moving along quicker. Other than that, thank y'all for watching. This might be ending this episode. We'll see. I'll see y'all soon.